have a nordmende oven, hob oven, which has an element failure on it. It's a nordmende, as you can see there in the book, and it's the SO106BL model. Now, the first thing you got to do is to remove. There's very little work in doing this, so watch what I'm saying here. It's very, very easy, but obviously one of the first things you must do before you work on anything electrical is make sure that the switch is off. Very important to make sure the switch is off and that there's no current going through, because it carries a huge, very high voltage and can kill you. So make sure it's the first thing you do if you're tackling this yourself. It's a very simple job if you follow the instructions, okay? The door itself is just a matter of unhooking these little fellas here. They go in. You can see the little lad there. Look at them moving. See that lad there? And you pull them back all the way there, both of them. Now, both of those on both sides. And when you do that, then just bring the door up. Just bring it up, and then it should lift out for you. Well, it should do. There you go. There you go. That's the door off, right? The door pops out. No bolts, no screws holding in the door on. Just clipped in, and little safety clips, and then it's how you lift the door directly up at almost at an upright angle. Back in here again. Now, I've already removed the element. This is a brand new element. I've removed it, and I've removed the element cover, which is very important, the safety cover there, okay? So that the element itself doesn't get grease and stuff on it. That can destroy the element, okay? The element, there's only 3 screws, by the way. You've got, okay, you have 2 on that side, and you have 1 on that side there. You take them out, and it'll just drop down, and it's out of your way. Plenty of room to work. Then you simply unplug. You can see the 2 wire ends there, look. Unplug those, bearing in mind to keep an eye on which way they go in. I'd say it's the same either way in, but just make sure you put them back in the way you got them out. That way you avoid any unnecessary re-stripping down after you've replaced everything in it. So there you go. So really all I'm going to do now is just put this back into place, and then screw up that panel there, that panel, and put back on the front door. Job done. So there's no need for me to spend ages explaining that to you. If you want to put some comments below, please subscribe. If you want to put in some comments below, I'll certainly get back to you with some help on what I can do. I'm just like you. I'm an ordinary guy in the house trying to do things as best myself rather than paying all these guys coming in to do it. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye-bye.